Hello students, the question is, in a plane EM wave, the electric field oscillates sinusoidally at a frequency of 30 MHz and amplitude 150 volt per meter. Identify the correct expression of B, assuming the wave is propagating along the x-axis and is oscillating along the y-axis. Now, this is the problem based on the topic electromagnetic waves, and in particular, the general equations of the electric and magnetic field vectors. So, in this particular problem, we have to write the expression for B, that is the magnetic field oscillation. Now, according to the given data, the frequency is given as 30 megahertz. Now, frequency we express by the Greek letter mu. So, mu is given as 30 megahertz. So, we know the equation, general equation of magnetic field. The magnetic field is given by B naught sine omega t minus kx. Now, this is the equation, general equation for the wave propagating along the x direction. Now, it is given in this problem that the wave is propagating along the x direction. So, we use this particular expression. This x denotes the movement of the wave is along the x direction, and oscillating along the y-axis. It is not clear in the question whether the oscillation is mentioned for the electric or magnetic field. We assume it for the magnetic field. So, for the magnetic field, it is By. So, By, we take the subscript as y for B. So, By equals to B naught sine omega t minus kx. We have to use this equation, and we have to find out the different parameters such as B naught, omega, and k here. Now, first of all, B naught, how to calculate B naught? Now, we know the relationship between E naught and B naught. E naught upon B naught is equal to C, and E naught is given in this problem as 150 volt per meter. The magnitude of the electric field is given as 150 volt per meter. So, we put this value of E naught here, 150, divided by the speed of light, and calculate this value of B naught, which comes out to be 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 Tesla. So, this is the value of B naught which we have calculated. Now, we have to calculate omega also. Omega is equal to 2 pi nu, when nu is the frequency which is given in megahertz. So, we convert it into the hertz, which is 30 into 10 power 6 hertz, and 2 into pi. So, this comes out to be 60 pi into 10 power 6 radians per second, or we can say it as 6 pi into 10 power 7 meter per second. So, this is the value of omega, which we can put in this expression in front of t. Now, we have to calculate k, that is the wave number. Now, the wave number is given by this equation, k equals to 2 pi by lambda, and lambda, we know that lambda is equal to the speed of light divided by the frequency, c upon nu. So, c, we know that the speed of light, we know that it is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and nu is given in the problem, which is 30 megahertz. So, we put this value as 30 into 10 raised to the power 6 hertz. So, after calculating it, solving it, we get this value as 10 meters. We put this value of 10 in this equation, 2 pi by lambda. So, lambda is 10 here. So, this becomes pi upon 5. The wave number becomes pi upon 5. So, we put the value of k here, which is pi upon 5 in front of x. Now, we can take pi as common, because here is 6 pi, here is pi. So, we take pi as common. So, this equation becomes 5 into 10 power minus 7 sine pi bracket 6 into 10 power 7 t minus x upon 5 Tesla. So, this is the answer of this particular problem. This is the answer. This is the expression of the magnetic field. तो यहाँ हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, इसमें बताया गया है कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑसिलेट करता है साइनसोइडली एक फ्रीक्वेंसी जो कि दी गई है 30 मेगाहर्ट्ज, एम्पलीट्यूड दिया है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का 150 वोल्ट पर मीटर. Identify the correct expression of B, assuming the wave is propagating along the x-axis. यहाँ पे x-axis के along wave move कर रही है, तो हमें जो जनरल एक्सप्रेशन यूज करना है वो x-axis के करस्पॉन्डिंग करना है. तो ये एक्सप्रेशन है हमारा by equals to b naught sin omega t minus kx. नाउ यहाँ पे हमें b naught सबसे पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए हमें पता है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन e naught, b naught एंड c. तो c है स्पीड ऑफ लाइट, e नॉट हमें गिवन है, तो यहाँ से हम b नॉट की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे जो निकल के आती है 5 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 7. वो हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे इस जनरल इक्वेशन में. ओमेगा होता है रेडियन फ्रीक्वेंसी जो होती है 2 पाई इंटू न्यू. न्यू है हमारा यहाँ पे हर्ट्स में फ्रीक्वेंसी जो गिवन है हमें 30 मेगा हर्ट्स. ये वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट करेंगे और कैलकुलेट करेंगे 6 पाई इंटू 10 पावर 7 रेडियंस पर सेकेंड. तो ये वैल्यू हमारी आ जाएगी यहाँ से ओमेगा की, वो हम यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. के होता है वेव नंबर जो बराबर होता है 2 पाई बाय लैम्डा के. लैम्डा बराबर होता है सी अपॉन न्यू, वेयर सी इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट, न्यू इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी। ये वैल्यूज पुट करके हम लैम्डा निकालेंगे, जो निकल के आएगा 10 मीटर्स। वो वैल्यू हम पुट कर देंगे वेव नंबर की इक्वेशन यानी 2 पाई बाय लैम्डा में। तो यहाँ से हमें k की वैल्यू पता लग जाएगी पाई अपॉन 5। वो वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे इस एक्सप्रेशन में, जनरल इक्वेशन के एक्सप्रेशन में। तो हमारी जो फाइनल इक्वेशन बन के आती है वो आती है 5 into 10 power minus 7 sin 6 pi 10 power 7 t minus pi by 5 into x। यहाँ पे हम पाई कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो पाई कॉमन लेने के बाद ये आएगा 5 into 10 power minus 7 sin pi ब्रैकेट 6 into 10 power 7 t minus x upon 5 टेस्ला। So this is the final, so हमारा फाइनल रिजल्ट होगा। Hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.